I don't know, Mr. Champion, Mamunia Joe, about the announcer newspaper. So, meeting the daddy Fred. And some may pray, I made them about your Moses say, and it is a shamia. Chila, what you say, see, I find some now, Cosono, or my Ganamu. Says, I make a say, MPP Amanyo Kuo, were more deputy communications director about war, United States of America, ha? Kofi Miao. What they are to just say, and Kabaya, Special Initiative Minister, what Ghana, Mame Hawa, Kumsin, nka won't resign. As much as say, I better Adriano. Minority titru NDC for, almost what Babonte say, Minister won't resign. If it's on your competent, into one resign. Meeting the daddy friend, Mamina Kwaba, eba the announcer newspaper, so, Massachusetts, United States of America. Snow, talk akra. Na in say, near me, kwa more muchi cars, more driver, when you're careful, across a bear, Mumfa to wrench and beer, and Mamma Quaimu. Now, any say, Minister, no, a man for us, I say, Kabaya won't resign. Now, 1 year competent. Now, they been tea, ne bin mujina to say, Minister, no, won't resign. I don't for them, Yakoda, sorry, yeah. Minister, special initiative. Minister, Ghana. You got a special initiative. I just say, Minister, Najuma Woyen and say, one say, MPP, one more prayer 2016. One more campaign, one more year yenina, ni deuro mo boy yenina, ni say. So one more no more bedi akonya. And Yama be brave or what one bay at the aboa amo my Ghana etumpong. Na Yama ni be our mother two ja any say. What mother's omoba ebedia konya. One district, one factory. Just a district biano or Messi factory ewo. Sasuna, one district and as a one constituency, $1 million. Ya de bemomo. After school are dying on base be bree. Bohos are who don't be sisi. On be any ma be boa ama or my Ghana tumpong. As some MPP amanyo ko or my campaign or more editor eja edono. Nanyango bombo mudi kunimba muwe ne. As I say, o Martinez 11 months. MPP better kunyaso 11 months in 12 months in it. I just say. Enche yeko January ma na just afi pepepe nti ushima almost 12 months 11 months ni yeko January ma 12 months na just pepepe pa MPP betina akonya so na 11 months Minister Special Initiative eye Hawa Kumsin ne budgeter wode be ko parliament say be ya wo mo be approve no maboa no na niema opese wode ye no wode aye no just president na do the initiative bia no sa ministry ho na ewo. Now, budget equal to parliament. Budget equal to parliamenta. Adofonum. Website in Kwa website. Asika 800,000 Ghana cedis and a woman the website. Hey. Our budget document num. Nano ne bin mubusa say. Minister. What share documents before I would present budget statement? I come a parliament. I'm a parliament or much share no more proven. As a minister, also go through. Now we shall now accept it. If it's a parliament about throw, now what I could defend it once them. Minya go me out. Thank you very much. O story no and a dead jano. MPP. One more penny for another communication director. The deputy our US Wakokana Kasapa radio ewo Ghana. Sankabaya. Eya Hawa Kumsin on resign ifra kunyano so. Ifri say Najuma waje no. Ivat. And said Kofi Aduma wajo Kofi Ami wajo ne life as is here our program so. Na Najuma waje no wanya de. Na azama Kofi Ami akan ya na wo so ba ko ne say. What na say 11 months. What share documents him? Na documents are what she budget statement ya beto wanim. One cause as a minister, line by line, working kind when you know, son of what present come parliament. Na parliament and your baby a diagro, a baby of Shamra, Emma or my Ghana. Anything who's a majority minority or many hobby. Obi abed do so document adicum. Na minister, how a Kumsin special initiative when na do danko kufado ni programs papa also they borrow my Ghana no. Una wo ministry on ekofaba na website nkwa 800,000 Ghana cedis mobile money say dem say error ne say wo dia ko parliament am mo akwaji atuma wi abaka che say error ne say Minister na say na ositwe mu. Asem we dey enye partisan sem na nye bibia. Ade na course no. Evat areho. Na de esa areho kura masa atekura no asa kiki me baabi a me wo kura ni say. 6 classroom block. School dan baako. School dan baako. Ah no so wo mo agitu mu say. Say school dan no e no so wo mo ebesi. Ana say wo be ye ho adwuma no. School dan baako so e ho bo no 700 and mon try me pe bo no dia ba. Let me look at the actual price very well. Now me dem crowd there. As we am tete here no me ho so pa ye. Hey minister, special initiative. And then what is going on? Suku dan no kwa no 770,000 Ghana cedis. 770,000 Ghana cedis. Suku 6 classroom block budgeter wo ye no. What is that? Yabi show na na dan kwa kufu ado akonya na position wa dia man no. What man say wo ya bo minor mo minor tumpon. Na hwe say as a minister na ye the document about beto wonim. Say go through. Na hwehwe document num say special initiative na a sensitive position. Every position no and no na implement government policies. Na for document no hwe document na for parliament. What mama website website etima koye 800,000 Ghana cedis. 6 classroom block 770,000 Ghana cedis. Website na sem na mo say here error, human error, say here topographical errors, there error. And the minister we share itemize na matro we be consider no. And the website into one. They say minority say or more overflow to no. They say well MB before share that pa minister share that no di be gumu say be yanka surplus no. Me ni be yanka be fa. Set sen yentimi hu. Is a one ma hu kwan ama manfo a say do so na na do. Ene na ban say niam omo ye no. Enya de say ekoyie. Na say minister na manfo so resign. Titiru ye nua Kofi Ameaw. Wono na ye MPP Deputy Communications Director se ne baako e wo United States of America ha. Wakoka na Ghana say gabaya minister no yem fire no kra yenyi must be fired, sacked. Onko na ufiri mu fia next time wo be sa ade ni biema arofonom serious minister de wo ye wadwuma yere wona ye adwuma ni ye se be ye bebo wabaso yere wona ye adwuma ni ye se be ya Ghana man ebebo odin se minister wo ye adwuma. Now to go to the extent is say, oh yeah, Juma way na I don't know how to describe it. Near the way I shall say, na what me pa ya Juma way dia. That's a reco pa ye. I didn't see. Says I no kase minister na so babonte say. One of the why ready. Say, so mo kase ye na dia any problem. I am ready to resign. That's why are you telling us? Then resign. If you are ready to resign, don't tell us. Resign. You don't say I'm ready to resign. We are not begging because the idea we are, you know, it's serious. They say, well, my main share, because I know I did here. Well, I is serious. Now, yeah, they say that I'm ready to resign. You are ready to resign? Then resign. Ghana Assembly says, oh, you're ready to resign? Yeah, then resign. Now, as a minister, our Ghana special initiative. Now the programs in Yina. Title as a special initiative. One district, one factory. And no more koye. Mustafa, I'm watching the live from Brazzaville in Brazil. Thank you, Mustafa. Brazzaville for him to say yes, yes, your munina so. Bibi akoso kama. Minuana asamna reho. Brasilia. Oh, Brasilia. Yes, Brasilia for munina. Gemre. Asamna reho. Shase. Sika. 800,000 Ghana cedis. Now, website here is saying. This is robbing Peter to pay Paul. Asema Mohammed Mustafa Ekanono. Also robbing Peter to pay Paul. The website in the boy is saying. Now we as will be our crowd to say. Minister, what's with the 800,000 Ghana cedis and your website? Give us an amount for the car from we as error. I didn't ever talk when you know who say error. I better when him watch your making kind. Error ni for him. Idea ya mathematics assembly. Idea would you coaching Husika. What total? I'm a figure in ya pepe. Error ni for him by. Oh, idea be over. Idea on the pime can maka. Tamu watomo. No clear won't be no maka. And it's on board be me wano ever send me home. Nyano na emma mine into porno. San yamano nema or mine into porno. Sesi amenoka say. Utie and some minority can. And this about until they say, oh, there be a monsieur said the minister near na. Where you dream dear Cassia pa na minister no or more pequan be so. Yes, I'm there for MB before you know. Or Monday, yes, I amenoka say, I say I don't get yet in some yatuja. Need some more there to Johnny same. Special prosecutor. Sabiono, or more pass the parliament no. I got on another danko kufuad when him. Now, Sabayan another best sign no, I adding. As I said, look at the canon. Was this a bayan another danko kufuad best signs I build no, I adding. Now, Nasamo Dinasuina say, was say, I adding say, anyway, Kingsford Crunchy or say, error, see saying, we are watching you all of them. Or also, I said, no. What Musha share video now, you also in your bin share, or be unshare, and you am so in your bin share. According to the Ducatiano. Was see a buying washer and I do say by your best sign dear who's actually if you say wash I say about another subu may baba no so as I say make a semisaka MPP amanyo cool one more communications director about or what Massachusetts one of Massachusetts in chapter no MPP communication boss yeah Louis Amwakwa man so Louis I say yeah, Bibi akoso there. Na abontin slow ni to say.
Slow ni dewi ni aso wa ni ti akontu maso.
Anti ya beto dwa kire se. Na mama mu na ekoso MPP mama mu na ekoso.
Oh, nyamia da ruma bibi ekoso kama. Ekoso kama pa amse wa ni tia. Eno bibi se bi o ye owura ye yan president. Na adanko akufuado anyuma ode kufom social manager de bia ekoye
Louis Amakoma Mami Musao
so good
website minim say wo website and now who be a website da estimatedly what the call Ghana scam how sure ne bo be say na dey website
patrol website dem say obia ne bo say the figure it depend omo friend say duration and I'm the content then the account but here na me who ni say normally website no anya idea say mu e tusa until ni probably website into website nya idea
so you say me kra me so my website so you say me so my website yeah you na mami musao any say say am no ka say Ghana Special Initiative Minister ne budget or the call parliament no website nkwa ewom no sika omoso mode ye 800,000 Ghana cedis is on my babonte say error and this if assume den classroom back says classroom block 770,000 Ghana cedis special initiative wa wonu ya be makofi am ya kura babonte say minister nke be ya yenyi na dikura
ayo
ai cosmete yo
me say sama kokofi ni na ya we say ye president na adanko akufuado but isu ibim say we are to be open koye into what sense say yes be ya bibia abekoso wa no na number 1 idea ompe corruption na ushe a normal special initiative for minister our at the core year then you are not just a question mark na question mark e wumu any say if you are on website asema o ka want them classroom it mean the kind of classroom oh yeah into one no you bet me at the classroom there. You go on man. You can fully equipped, you know. A book of Sukaka.
Fully equipped says classroom blog no ebe cost 770 million 770,000 Ghana cedis.
Website. Behind it, who announce a program with their website, they say you hear someone saying in our opinion, without a custom and our boy.
Asaminio.
The content to crowd a crowd. Now the Republic of Ghana initiative. You not the mono, but the camp, the Kawa. And yes, a quarter. And you know, let me dear, the Mihuni say, budget now, what they call it, you know. A year too much. A idea a good entity for any matter. A idea same you some ameno episode or you did ya. One kind was it. And no on and open any matter. The good young one if you are against corruption. The good nana at the damn quado, a day president, the new master. So no another fight against corruption. And you know, Mameno to the minium Yakayano. It's just unfortunate. Nothing at the woman here. The name in the Abakukasai, the money did because I don't think that is necessary. Well, no, I was special at the honestly CEO for one of the state institutions. Only my talk at them, what is Louis? If you are not catastrophe, which people don't listen. And go for only a 1 year, one degree, NDC for. And you would direct it. The finance minister, the budget officer, the district coordinator, tango for the baby, what? What? About down. And the way and the
Louis, Louis, I'm walking coach number be mammy, I'm cabin the pem say kate. You much of a damage there. Answer there, yeah.
You. And you know, the woman is there. So I'll go for no more year, you might make an budget officers. Planners, financial experts, that they are no more here. If you are buying, and now we are civil servants. But now we are going to be NDC for a planty and son of Moko. Now, 1 year, you can say, allocation as a budget, no. Or would you say, 1 year when you go asset? What can you say? Let me get the minister Baku, a year CEO Baku, or one of the big time institutions in Ghana. Obayano, when we say the budget of more in budget allocation for that the department, can you believe that? Or would the budget can be like about more than 500,000 Ghana? What am I doing with the year? MD, you can say entertainment.
Hey, MD entertainment.
Well, who pet? By Parliament for some party. After I know one of the same one. What I could talk MD entertainment, if you and entertainment bankuna, MD entertainment, or Korean mine, I say, a bay in the massy, or good CEO in any massy, or good minister in the massy, or good and probably in the massy. The making anything, and they say, a year minister say, I want to see the guy cast my and the Dumunchi. And before no more, Jumano. What can I go for be a won't show me. Now, we are some cases, my woman very careful. The book one as a woman transfer. To you, a car, not what you know, free one call the beer, a bank, but only office. So that when your answers be implanted, a mount of the young company, the car won't you, the beat and then the autonomy. Standing for you, some for the ban on one side, you.
Na Louis Amwako yansha the minister na ye the project abeto wanim or budget abeto wanim e wo mi say budget document na eso wontimi hwe ni nyina mu ba ni nyina ya mo summary document a summary no ba itemize bibia no e bia be 3 pages pe bia na 4 pages wo be hu bibia ansa na the parliament enjo pa yes a website nti wa hu say website ne bo no yes a
ana make us be need my minute when make us the bia e ko su bia no e ya bia se empokwa ne ko wie nyina wo ne be wi oso enti so
Is NDC say when you're competent into one resign.
That is it. Sani Bekano, because a human edition on Sano, and say I was said the budget to be a more coso, the deal will be an answer will do and a yard, a parliament. I'm a parliament I approve. The name of the parliament is there. I didn't come more approval, you know. I didn't know more approval yet. Then you go back to parliament as well. What I say? I don't more approval. I don't have parliamentarians, you know. I cry mass hard, you know. I pass it through the process. Said you more a man that you choose just can you from Ask him. Maybe I'm going to say a car.
Now parliamentarians into almost so kind and almost 2 man now man kind and almost 2.
I own the gun me problem no. And then we say now parliamentarians almost kind and say you buy almost yes I can call. And
Asamson no nti ma prove adie wie ansana second day no mo hu se error bi wo mu. Na so mo ye parliamentarians so mo agye mo certain allowance mo ye bibia makɔhwɛ mu nyina awie.
A corner, you want to say you diagro. The whole parliamentarian, a chomoka, I can say, a mammo, one bonus. Move a social crown, it won't be about 4 billion Ghana cities. And she can't say, now one allowance, certain allowance, committee allowance, one wine to say, just go in a no more contract. It just go. Now, you know, mine go through all the process. More optimizing one by one. According to a satellite, now it's a microscope. When they are 2 years, a prime benefit first one, as you carry your best spending, a prime benefit first one, as you carry website.
And I say, almost a minimum we are no more share that your money free. So that's you.
Because I woman say, NDC for MPP are targeting so much. With corruption so much that right now, they will do everything within their means to make sure that we fall down or go down with them. And none of Minister Biana or President, and none of Minister Biana or Nina, and none of Minister Biana, Sabio, or say on it, the Bian Fano, and none of the Assembly because Goa, they are cut down. Naming in an Echo, or go part in any massive. Go on one massive. And all good supporters is one. Almost support to MPP said MPP or more ever fight against corruption. Then can was 4 years at the year. Now and no man another go from free SHS. Behind say you can say planting for food program. A year next food allowance a day abai. Just a normal be a yes and can I course no. Yan year. Sa corruption no man get away no e be you do here against ni na na ye nim guasie aba enti me na me am ya kaya me support me ni am ya 100% 7 years another obari a o man sa no ma ya fa na si so ni mu bio se on en ko fono mu ye sa de no o mu antimi am wana ma na nye ye first of all ni ma me ne bio
Mammy, na some say walk can say how akum sina some walk can say was say I am ready to resign. And also, I am ready to resign and resign my mind.
Resign.
Nanya, you are ready to the end saying, oh, catch her, as I say.
On resign, my.
So,
no, free problem. We can't, my baby. So the only second we have an persecution, be awesome. On resign. Now, be over to my human papa no.
Because I said, you almost see the some more bata na who say, a more Ruka say, Nancy sitting arrangements be a binum say, what's na ben and adwa, ubetria $25,000 to $100,000. Sasa when you now crying, can you?
I know, no mukaka, a piano abayo. Now, it depends on the ministry. Yeah, well, I know my last about 2 months ago. There was this man who paid $1 million just to have a breakfast meeting with the president. But it was announced. Our America, Donald Trump, a businessman from Malaysia, when Trump did he was charged $1 million. And you believe Kenya another Jessica about your foot. And you know, such trade ministry. Some people quite be Agnes Kadia. look at this is the best option. Money, we have to visit. We have an announcement, another modernity. So, special privileges, visit for special church, one method, if you allocate the BC and the amount of money, the mutia. And no, your friend be said, it is in the known. She can also call your kind of thing. I buy a foot room, and also no parliament, Yahweh, and I say, Ubibia, and Yahweh. But what would you see? Not at the head of Moyanama and nothing, and this is for now, I won't do a year, you want to talk to Tubia. And then one would just say, I want to know, a quest can never so buy in then so I hear, Muji says, can be a scan so echo. We are not going to condone any corruption. Let me try to be angry as a spokesperson. Let me condone with Ubia, or could this minimum minimum condone. And he said, I don't make so I won't just here. And yet, I stand for the truth. Ubia, Sikabia, Akofan, and some Agnes Capabiano, Quambia, as a person, Jessica. But where did they never say, I land Chamatin, and you run on Chamatin. But where I was go through the process, it wasn't worthy of it. And I said it wasn't appropriate. Your party organizers, why no money are bank of Pakistan, so Ubia. Say it to be about, I said, Uncle Fana, you know, wouldn't come pass at this kind of. No, Mama, reasons in Tiamoji, I know it's nothing to do with the government. But third ministry, Mama, if it's not in the known here, let's kind of not what they find for. What I say. As I know, president, I can power the woman, Ekuno, Mama selfish interest, not a heading. Because you have said, MPP, a 30 years.
Okay, Louis Amwakumeda was Nasa Nabekokran. In conclusion, Minister, no 1 year then.
Minister, say no, the woman say,
all right, thank you very much.
Oh, yeah, Madame Papa, you the Jumano, or I say no, show. Yet we preach against corruption. The BIFA, special prosecutor about the heading, about the fight against corruption, and this are buying every year at the core, you know. And move on to tear because of corruption target. When I encounter with the NDC, I have a wounded lion. Among the other damn quick for the Magana. It is a bonny beyond by saying the call for national.
No, I don't guess I won't mean NDC for an a one, you do respond what you ma. Yes, I would just say, look at your car. Anyway, remember Selfie Kennedy at the same Selfie Kennedy, German, Michelle, baby, I will be as soon as Sabina, message gentleman who make kind, Tina Jones at the same Joint West Yakon also at the same Joe Meno Bertram County, Ben Wafidia, Nanny saying, Mammy Mustafa, Mate Mustafa, Chan, this is for to be Janasubi, Mustafa Matepa, me contact Biamo Bizwakasa. Nanny Saminia show. Louis, what should I say the idea? I said, look at you, say, special presidential. Special prosecutor bill no akọ parliament ya je atumu awie akoda na na do table so se be ya wo be sign no on sign ye ni nyina ne se wo se osusu se na na do suro se wo sign a MPP for kura bebre no ye be chi o makogum nti wo be se o sign asema se du ngati e ka no no
minya ye owura se du ngati ono ewo kwan to ka dope enyama wo ye ndi chini nti na nse bi obeka bia no when you are requesting all propaganda purposes. Now, the Kenyan say Ghanaians want a fair share of everything that happens. Right now, we say they are corrupt. NDC government was corrupt. You will normally be a course so a dream normally this year. The kind of saying, you know, a married deal, and normal course so more like you could see in Burkina Faso more than 600 million. You know, I wear Jida, you know, I wear Subu. All those kind of corruptions are all bad branding and then normal ecocoso. Some more in I where Wyoming. Some more in I idea. And my NDC quarter. And this NDC quarter. Now you bear fight to say a bet remember. I buy another couldn't but nothing. You better issue a normal means to make sure that we get our money back. What is delaying us as a party to initiate this policy? Right now, Nina lies on the Attorney General. Goria Kufu. akoso one man tamoche na me be promise Ghana for say enche bibi be sinansia
bibi be sisa say
yeah you better say prosecute manfo
mo ba sa ase achechia manfo agum
anya yenti tu special prosecution yenti e chewa tu e chere say DBC baby be you are no na say hwe na sa no na obeyi ye na fam na kwa so a anasika bi gira okwa bi so dia na be ye no edi ni sere mra sisi
and this for some fan share say free MPP na drum die no bebre akoso MPP
and you de bad ya yeso no ye de be ye den ye be say MPP ni bi aye bia so de wura akofo ye no ya kind of sports minister so si man ko da mu no anye nwa na na dan ko akofo do de obeya abrosa ntino ma Ghana for monosik bibia be ko so se de
answer na be kokra no be kanda or say let's call a spade MPP is failing Ghanaians
asma all kano no kwe eche adia so de eche alejo but min kama min ya muze security corruption cases satia and initiatives we are satina get me control e bi corruption so no once open evidence you need to build more evidence to make sure say we case ni we do water you can say yura no no kwara here when you friend yi na ko for the new call when you go school ya ono in case ba ya no ya juma petroleum case ya ba ya
chachu chikata
chachu o say no ya am enough evidence and you know he was able to be set free to the sense that on such Uganda government who build evidence that you need to make sure that evidence should be enough to prosecute somebody. Only enough evidence. The other thing I will call Saudi in the first place. So we need Ghana for train say enough evidence against whomever be prosecuted na bibia koso. Na me dey na me say dey am kase na bibia o ya onyanto wa say. This year no be so dey no me prepare go for because this for June. Ministry be wonoma. Na adam for na me ne ka se mi. Na me ka say we are this ne budget win. What's in the ministry? So I'm ministry one uncle here Juma, where what 10 months here. Could be Katasi, Sene for ya sell or no. Or Koyan and Kabia, who won't be a 2 million beer. Or say, and come on, Fanco, Lampono, not 2 million, it be about 2 billion. Dear, not what I got for. Now, share, sir, at the year of 3 years, by special prosecutors, no, enough compelling evidence. And, sir, and I had that your prosecutor, yes, idea. And then I would get on was of a year for a cra, if you did soon, if you did no, and many years. Matter say, Nana, the year of 3 years, now the year so, I could so perfect.
All right, thank you very much, Louis Amoakon. MPP Amanyoko, Massachusetts. Hey, Ona Communications Director. May I say, Unya Adajani Trinkomo? Yo. Adafo no sama ekoso my Ghana mu ne de ebrem nsem ahodo bebre APP Minister Special Initiative eya hawa komsin te ya yensa ka ekire se amafo bebre sin ka ba minister no yensa ke no efisa na adwuma boye no enso ani na se wotimi koka se website wodi wo ministry ho ministry special initiative wajuma wo je ne se Nana do ye campaign 2016. Wobo she Ghana for bo se so ba be dia konwa na obetima boa amane mapa etumpon wo my Ghana o kan one district one factory o kan one constituency $1 million o kan say obesisi schools ahodo bebre boreholes hospitals niam ahodo bebre wo be ye e dia boa ama my Ghana etumpon akwan ahodo bebre obeboa na nana do betena so ne campaign na wo ye nyina no the ministry na ebe implement campaign promises no any special initiative ministry na eho na hawa kumsin oye minister na o the budget come parliament budget o the koto parliament anim no budget ne hihye ye pa wo pese o de boa ma my Ghana tumpon no parliament akwaji budget ya hwehwehwem mini abema KK kwamna kasi KK adesign Golden Radio wo Worcester Massachusetts opanyini power da no wana adwane me life no KK adesign bibia ekoso the office was a broadcast journalist award special ye de man New York wo America nyina no ye man award kese wo New York KK me cha ba bia wo bia ne snow no mo sa ma hododo kakra be yi na anything Minister share documents no na fa niema ewo mu no na fa bre wo man no na o man no hwe na nyema ntumpon. Na website ekoye 800,000 Ghana cedis. As a minister na babonte say error bi na ewum asaso na eye chairman sabosu where majority leader in parliament minister so was I say error bi ene ba nti ndc fo nyai de omo kekeka no na actual figure no eye 80,000 Ghana cedis. Other for them to say the abana na yesa busa say 6 classroom building na no so e budget no ma 6 classroom who consider dan 6 classrooms so and also ne bono ko see 770,000 Ghana cedis and also anything maybe ko join twi si akoho na fejo ye ni jo so adwetwe enkomo afa ensem bi ho na ensem we dia ye ensem bi a emu oduru je anytime for the minister no kon resign MPP amanyokuo omo deputy communications director of United States of America ha aye Kofi Amiao se se Ghana se se a we program bi ndra or program bi ne ya no de tu just nke be ya e ka minister no na na do fire no onyina di eni so manet na ho na minister de beto wanim na wo hwe na wutimi kan sem se ya the modru na me de minister busa ne se parliament budget no koto parliament anim enti mrahye badwafo 270 something no enti obie ntima ehu e na omogye tu mu no omogye allowance so asem sebe George where's akwatu saying Boko Maryland is saying Yo Joe minister ya semase say aba manfo se kabaya yenyi na the minister na aba bonten hawa kumsin say why are ready so be resign na no na bi because I didn't na wo ka kire say why ready so be resign
Fred did kan you let check you for the ahofo you maybe kan akane say sebi ye ho yi na ye nipa enso so na ye sebi from so ever ade ba ko ne say the minister no nhuru na o se era ibuso parliament for na say opposition for omo ka ho ase omo so na ye oversight and na say error and omo so kotra omo so ehu so one person else me ehu na nipa 275 so ehu na
omo parliament so ehu a yes sir
yes, if in the ministry, me, and yes, me support the test and Casicano, Sebi Mamino, and from so or yeah, and I say, young from so or yeah, said, why get no protein now? Mean, yes, but I didn't know that I can watch them, a Cofa Parliament. Now, Parliament, no, committee, who is there, a committee, and then a committee in their floor. Committee, floor for a if it's all no air back up and also, no food on it. And the young budget when you're prepared. Every minister will be said, over him, shame, but the victim of
Joe Sopodia me ba nana ama Rampoa said was Honorable Howard will not resign today or tomorrow. If that is some of you want it to happen. Was Honorable resign then resign. Joe goes meet you.
Oh, and she said, or not as an individual, a error. But I give back one minute catch honorable no son said. Say if we are strong, say you see, you do the idea more. I was so very careful and cautious. Say idea where I happen, the best of myself right a arrow. Name idea, and just say, it's only 1-0, and I'm not going to go through that. When you say 0 near back, okay.
0 back up the man could draw topographical error. Yes, sir. Or more type of
the American. 800,000, no, 80,000. Yeah, 1-0. And I'm making huge, which is given to 700 and what? 20,000. 720,000 Ghana cedis. It's this there, many so. Minister, why you do this? You have come up with one share. I need a Jimmy, but a no money with that from wait, a error or no about rectify. So if you say, and we say, let me call me study at the court parliament morning in our committee on where one person where we the chief director also where we if you are coordinating director where we a court parliament I say one I share money this almost
Nipa 270 something.
Almost 22.
That omoji to mu years so omoji certain allowance.
And I'm just saying, for my men, just for women. That was standing and just a man, a beer or your jury, a honor, the medicinal, where you have to try shit and your man music. Then I am from so. So, yes, them one classroom, no dear. Fred, I don't see error now because you perceive me. Short and so error.
Classroom is also and also by error. Next error so net door super woman. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You're not two errors. And you must say, now me sure in the ministry no Fred. Ministry in the budget the man of God. What can that be my idea? So that.
I don't know some name when we budget your man 2 million bibisa.
The total of the budget now I was now. Now because you know Fred, a year can create. The total is different for Cascan in Abuma. And then I make my case, no son of parliament for because so
now when you say we are parliamentarians and a be we and a be almost a poor money goose or say by Anna. So podium obi Eric Ni also where a competent errors. Mustafa Hamid, the minority saw that. I heard Honorable Jinapo speaking about it in Parliament. Also a minority who here. Sabina was it 2 errors. Okay, cause Joe. Parliament of errors this oh, sir, I give up for Yana Yanya for three. The young one can't be an issue. If it's 2 minutes, may a short party will never try to be. I was our minister, and as I wear Juman Penny Bicrana, or secretary, the Ibi Brewer, one shadow and Channel sign. A bit more kind, maybe, or I or suffer marfo, or the idea be by was one kind, okay, I did. Yes, it's the PR, because of a name of good table to be open to my at the end. Joe, I'm say Obi cassette. Obi say Mustafa Hamid say the majority approve it. Nasa more channel. A majority one approve here. Whoever said that is a lie. I didn't get there ready. Oh, we approve here, but I don't walk out. I'm not walking out. We know what you want. I didn't get him. What is it? What is Obi walking out of the parliament? What's here? That be man. He said, "Man, no, if you want working out, and then offer to catch it." I don't know an idea, but I did not too many about it. And I was not clear about it. I did a figure no inflation when we are at the gas town. You have 2 zeros, meaning a down 70,000. And the woman America with the website no much less. I don't get 80,000 Ghana cedis. Nanya 800 Ghana cedis. 800,000 Ghana cedis. Yes, sir. But dear, Asama, say, Minister, let us say, we are minister now, we are penny be 00, you know, so few when in our ocean, you know, yes, sir. First, I think 00 in the buy. Over I said maybe 2 years. We can't do run if you can. I will be a further of enough to some way. I'm one clear to have our African because what is 0 you know? 0 you know, Mescari Rai. And there is yet. You ever say, Mammy, how are you cool? How are consent? And yeah, or we now would say, because at this moment, Mr. Catcher said, and you will tell you no million in the person. You can have a good secretary, but the secretary might not be a pure person. You can have a very good administrator, not a person, but one will look person. At this moment, the one you're careful. I gave a toll, no, and you have to trade, no, repeat. Now, for phone, started to shaft, and now for some promo from Qua, and you got anybody, wouldn't you go you? And you're not prepare you. But you're not prepare you, found out to be. I say, chief directors, and I'm going to prepare accountants in any and no consultants into the Abia, Obeshe, or the initiative, Bema, almost say now, penal, say now, be prepared, you know what you might say. Bibia, yes, sir. And why you cry and maybe what kind? Idea or meeting, be I say, I'm saying, no, a minister was a deputy. Wasn't ya do a Troy, no, no, I'm the Vicky Hammer. I'm you and all customers. After
the papers no, it be a message. Oh, error be error do. What if there be a dinner with you know? Yohana away, papers ni biara. And he said it in the public. Anybody say yes, I do know. And he passed, and yes, I do. If he said, oh, now we are there. Also going on.
Now website pa 800,000 Ghana cedis there. And then website no be for so ne we are seeing man nyina ba ma na asase.
Oh, you and I know that typically there's nowhere my main local say 800,000 Ghana cedis.
Me say all prepare na me ni hobby. Minti min yen kan de obeka. Minua bi Mustafa Ahmed or say resource no mo ye voting budget and resource no e kire say minority no wo mo etuti or say Fred asked that man what was the result of voting in parliament. Does he want to tell me all the MPs voted for the budget?
Yes or no? When you got trouble or so, you got trouble there, you got 2 years or no. And you just a question, whoever they say, and one no. Or power, or give a guy to what about it, and so about that. I'll prove you wrong. They say, I'll prove you. You should prove me wrong.
Now, added to the minister, na assembly free ministry by now a binum the MPC so a beshimbi. They been the MPC be so better home. Me say add into the minister no the ministry and a budget ni free buy. Na bi no so asha say blame MPC ni bi. E wom say minister no cross MP.
Hey, why MP? Hey, two. Only say MPC no be you can blame woman say our committee, na committee na majority and minority na so. Our ranking members and it's na make say a majority and minority approve of it. I'm go to aba. Sometimes we should know what the process and the procedure of parliament. It's been free, but I'm not supposed to pay and of the parliament. And the committee. And the committee now forms a majority and minority there. And the woman you have a jet to and son of the parliament and son of me has jet to. And the winning the procedure saying all the Almacansel. And the committee, the both MCP and DCP now will be a group. A quarter of the parliament, 274. We mammy grew at 273 because on one card in the home. On over here, they have to accept 273. What when you go to Madana Nigeria, you have why am so? A free office number. A free office number.
ABC Yenina di, ABC or no answers were ready to resign. To say, Yanya day.
So, yes, Canada, and as you cannot see what for the end, let's say unity. But the kind of Kenyan boy. That was the American. Imagine, no, dear. I know it's better the American. I guess I don't know yet. What do you find to the then minister, the former minister now, or resign? Only you trace them. But where's the kind of a young over there? You know, there are two different things. Errors. And I don't say, I go for this.
So put your mommy Mensa Jenny Mensa Evans, please, I'm watching you live from Abidjan. What is the issue discussions about? All right, you want to know the discussions in India and say MPP Kuo Wamo deputy communications director or America ha Kofi Amia what in Zambia to just say minister wo Ghana wo special initiative minister no the budget no they call parliament no budget no wan hwemuje amadi animguase abrem pipi ntenke be ya nanado onyi minister na di yo koso
enti semene akobata so wo dia ti kare ko dia tapere go ti magata eroso what ya eros no ma ti kare ko but and another circumstance say the committee and pia bontia the dia kanyo na be yo ko bi ti na se ho afika na dia ko
zen ko ma hu an gaska no so ba beto account num kama o
minister no
almost Shasia, only in common person the day. Only new Musica. Almost not for Kwami so much Ghana to shake the number. About deny one agency, they just said corruption account. Yeah. NPP has to be very, very, very vigilant. The ministers, not especially the ministers, they should be very, very vigilant. Very, very, very vigilant. Because I won't get the whole year. Wait, I don't know how. I get 7 and send out. I'm a maka. I get send out. I'm a maka. Put up more the bar. Found a here, not for time. Now for time here. One not send no bar. Give a body. You go what you guys have you. It's not that the America said. Your ministers and I say, politicians are corrupt. Well, by a near giant civil service before no number. But I was a part of a corona. You all know that MPCB effort, but let me a minister effort, but let me catch you say about politicians who work on you, which we deny the fact. But about 90% of it, the civil service one, civil servants normally work on me.
Nyanshe binu equate way to we share oral and chamantia as me see and saying trade ministry ho ebinum so say just utua sika mo duru ansana so be so tena na ado ne nsabe nkuma tua say ne nsanifa tua say ebi say na ado omo ye no for sale na go be so tena na nima tua say afi sika no kura ranging from $25,000 to $100,000 Joe sanya ma we nyina wo zamanfo anya kwan eka.
Oh, Fred, sometimes, in politics, there always do propaganda somewhere. No matter what you do, if you say, no, MPP for kind of opposition who we are about the can't and actually, when you are Japan. And son of you, about the can't, and son of evidence rubber. If evidence in your Bible, you are not being
Joe, so put your mommy, Obi, I draw my attention as MB. Obi say, Eric Ni. Only 29 items on the list. So what about the total amount? Was it 29 items? Pen and never items. Pen and never listen. So what kind of 129 or 90 man shim? Akobe bia ubia uno.
I think I said 29 items. You have got a page so that item.
I say almost summarize an executive summary, no?
Okay.
Pages in the Amkuba. Bibi I said ube summarize in one sheet and sana.
Yes, but the total amount. What total any amount in an said official Yuswa. Actually sometimes, also we are vigilant. The ministers, I know what dealing now, deputy ministers, who are vigilant. So I'm vigilant at times. And you must be saying, I don't know, I send it to a better MPP who as an individual, a very tag, Edward. A very tag, Edward. Meanwhile, so we have a treasure here and can talk about it. And I mean, you will say, okay, Camdo. And me MPs not so, almost a pentamdo. Almost as well,
to be a preno.
Let's go and pass it, and then later on we get about corruption. If you want to special prosecutor,
and when they say a special prosecutor, and I say do get say Bill no say I got on and do him, but best sign no. When say no was so crave so ko sign was no say BMP before the Bikurano, you bet you almost a bin so yes I did no. Say do get say more can no.
Oh, my friend, and you say I did and it can work. And you bet me account because
what's a dream, dear baby? I cost on another and sim Abraham Musan or Patry.
Oh, corruption, as you say, the German.
Maybe Abum. What is a biabum?
Fred, come on, walk on. And I'm saying, buy here, walk on once to me. As you say, yes, come with you. Eh? Pass banding. Of course, it's a 3 billion. The pass had it before Nika get it out of home. Basket in Funicate and let it carry home. Of course, 3.5 billion. Of course, you say that. Meaning that I will cocktail Yamamano. I am from so I am from so. Because the from so I say one share. If you go by, that's why I am from so. No moon, and also in China, MPP near I am from so. Not the special prosecutor bill, no, that's a motion on the corruption. That's a moment of the job.
All right, Joe Benawasi, as a man, I have a catch at you.
I catch at you and say, your kitchen, or money, a yes, and be say the papa thing. Now, yet to me, I go 77 years, if you are mammy from Zoka Cow, yeah, and I said,
Obia Sama watch Abba Facebook. I was here, I'm saying a not a classroom buono, and some to say the MPP pensi classroom boy, Esusa. Cause I do meet you.
oh, classroom bomb is this classroom group, this classroom block, and well, this cat, 820,000, 82,000 Ghana cedis. If you all know of let's see, me, the only thing I may can say, yeah, more money now. Tanya Manima win a fed, a bit papa. So we mean they are friend the people because, okay, I'm on your same, okay, minister, and I will be clear, humanity, different to us, man. Over to them, me say, over to them, would you know?
Meme Kaiviki Hammer or Kai Minister, or no a deputy meboa, no a deputy communication on. Oguso kind of people, sir, was all there be people see. When you know, James President Mahama cry between us, yes, sir.
I make a president is a bit one. I tell you when I'm a cat mature yet. When you want me to and then I put the win none other. What would be able to sabotage if I told you at zero? That's all for $1 million. Also for $1 million going down for it. If you don't get wrong with you, I either was system of the idea was system of policy, or move you know. These are some of the things. If you're my man or your best friend, if you're back, give it time. May I sure there was woman in that form. And you don't call other ministers, deputy ministers, or what time? I'm on your phone. There's no position, what position? If you're a cut out, Mr. President, before you do Ghana, Papa. By the way,
Joe, I see you are just making excuses. Now, Richard Nelson says, Daddy Fred, this man, Joe, is making excuses for their party. Was that now making excuses? Can fact, no?
Oh, well, I think that which part no better make you. I said no, men can't tell me, you know, 77, my tata soul. I see. I happen. But the scenarios, no. What Papa said, there be any errors. And anywhere, any getting as an individual, any judgment, your way. And then the kind of tribune, I am forget the kind of thing. Conference, we will go outside that. And one of the other corruption, I saw it could be a 10.
Obviously defending the indefensible. Let's call a spade a spade. Eric Nee.
Well, your own opinion. I don't think that my man no, and I mean, will be able to defend it. The way I didn't know that camp, and I'm kind of say, why you let me? And I am correct. Why you let me? If you let already nothing here, and can go back. Error, so whatever, why we let you man away and want to see it. So, I'm paying anything here, and can go back. But in other ways, if you say errors and answer was say errors are best, you know. I didn't young Koyana, at least that clear was, you know. Who saw resign? Me, who? Don't you have to resign? On one of them resign. She's ready to resign. That's their own decision.
Now, also, I know that we are ready to resign. Any country, any resign, mum. And no, one on a amendment, yes, you know. So if you are ready to resign, you don't need to tell us. Just resign.
She can go ahead and do it. But for me, if you are president, I don't think I say. So I'm not so very Diane. Let him go.
The MPs no so almost shame no almost nya den.
And also the what? Oh, the what can I make out between different no. Okay? The MPs are majority minority. Omo partial committee are just allowance. I confess I do with Omo. They have not to be head of the parliament, of the parliament. Omo. It is 274, including Speaker of Parliament, 278. Whom you will be a group. 275. Whom you will be a group. The one you bring to say. And who's not the money in other cost for my main question? Yes, if you say as well to the people because it's the ministry to buy it. They put the ministry buy, you know.
And KB will be cry vigilant, Kakran and Kohuyan Corretino, and son of Mossad buy. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we crash him, we Kakran goes, oh, hey, there we a mistake. I said, oh yeah, you may be now the Amobis on your review, Mao. Or Shema was okay, how we a mistaken teacher. I say, now if you was a queen, ye Nadia Banyasa.
I said, everything that committee war. It's in every ministry, what committees are, what parliament are more. I would just say, and you went there to first one, Fred, if you have to be black committee, no, as I spend it, I didn't come back and say, I didn't wait, you're right, I come back.
Make a special initiative class almost a free what the coy. Echo shame quiet, there was some year almost had to buy. Special prosecutor bill, yeah.
Yes, how many 80 almost the shop of whom
Obviously, the ministry service illegal. Asama Obi Khan Mustafa Hamid. Or was it the ministry service illegal?
It's not. You need any limit about the creation of ministry. You need you all. They should understand. We don't have that law. Say, you see, minister, no, and a president, if the other office of the Momayama, and Manama, you need closer to the hour. Obviously, creating ministers to go, please, about what I'm an initiative and a job for you, and maybe anywhere else. It is not illegal. I thought you said Ghana, but not for speaking already. So the view of just a president, you have a quota of ministers, ministers or criteria. President will be Minister of Fisheries, maybe you for by and over criteria. Minister of Women and Children Affairs, maybe you President for 4 times no criteria. And the ministry, president, no one who is so Christianity. The best number of Juma, will be a significant. President, your money tells to me, 2 minutes, then I come to Ghana. President is 2 minutes, so I was saying, maybe you should check this. 2 minutes, it is a 2 minutes, your money is our opportunity, President, big way to Fidia.
All right, Joe, man, I was saying.
Next time, your mammy, how I wish it. A bar, yeah, when you have a motion, what's true of what? At least you say, you are what canon.
All right, George West Yakomeda was say. I don't know some so George West Yako or Casafri, Maryland, and now church and in Semuno. As much as I and say Ghana minister our special initiative. What the budget be equal parliament, and my parliamentarians edgitumu. Na budget now what they call you. And never be that woman, a man for an so ye. Na never ne woman, a man for an son, a business website pa na bo 800,000 Ghana cedis there. Areho. What's our creative website? I'm a ministry initiative. Na sika omodi create website no ne bo no 800,000 Ghana cedis. Actually, wamako parliament wamako agi atuma wie. Ama amrahye bedwafo agi atuma wie enti abeye budgetary allocation. Actually, omodi budget no ko adwuma msa akohwe ma. Wom se emfumsuo bi ba ho na 800 no anyesa na rider 80,000 Ghana cedis. They say, I've been almost had the parliament be mampen for echo koshim na there. And this about bonchen say, Minister no nya competent na anything on resign na juma wa ye na nso ani. Na minister was ka unya de bi say no, wuhwehwem. Na 11 months and I would plan a budget no. Na budget no tena ase bosume maako edu baako. Na would ye budget nti wuhwehwe niam bi ewom and I would call yes say. They say the what jiatum o signature wa say gban o stamp. Send some be a won bia one kasa wo de wani ahwe ne fin ajiatum say bibia ye koroje in the parliament for anyintum. And wo de call ye. And say in fact minister no nya competent. Na ade a waye no na dwuma nso anything ke nyina di. Saa so na Kofi Amiao MPP amanyokuo wo mo deputy communications director ba ko a wo US ha say Ghana say Kofi Amiao. One so think about Minister no na do dan kwa kufa do wonyi na di no de anim guase e bre party no minister no so how akum sin wa ba bonten yi ato Ghana fo nyina anim say we are ready so be resign na no na bibusa say so be resign dia nka nkire Ghana fo so we are ready so be resign no bia hu say wa resign e bi so so mo fa nche no na nipa de amfom so bata nipa ho ye kɔ ne ye be ye nyina ye mfom so atwira ye twiri ye nyina bi o ade nkwa ye th ni akɔtwe tl ye mistakes we are seeing no mistake to me ba enti zero ba ku bi ekɔ source no ene na create sa problem we amanaba enti zero ba ku no de nka be ya manfo fa nche se be ya manfo be say website pa de and no circumstances a website ye ebe cost sa enti woman enfanche no na ebia na mistake bi betima se bi kura no no mpe na sem na we yes no na ye pese no de ye tie so obi na mpe wa se no de excuse na abema wa na oji beto table so executive summary no say one sheet into wo hwe ni nyina mu na wo approve ye na yen hwe asemi ni nam mframa mu koban and this amanyoko kire se kata se hye ne proye ekoso o man Ghana mu no a special prosecutor bill na koto da na do danko akufo ado anim and so up to now wo mon san ye na ni nyina ni se MPP mu no dwurum de bi koso na dwurum de na ekoso no ntino osuro se bia osan a wo betimi affect MPP for no na bi no mu bisa se dwurum de ben ni de hen ne wom ora se ni katia ampe point o ma Ghana fo hu se we are say wo mo fa ni nyina ma Ghana fo nyina hu na ye ka ne tra sa de a ye ka se o dream na ye hu facts no into mo point say we ni na dream we na corruption ye hu according to MPP wo mo ye campaign no mo kaya 2016 wo mo bode wuro kire wo man Ghana nyina se so mo ba na mo be fa akonya keta se hye ne proye de lalai me no be masamola mankwa honorable etesen ona na ye assembly member ewo Ashtown wa join me live Kumasi honorable bibi akoso de me chia na abusuafo so nyina adofonom sesi ame no kase wo mo ka se so mo ba no mo betena akonya so ade ye keta se hye ne proye de lalai mighty man joy or how can competent people make mistake? Shame on them. That's a Eric Ni corruption. Oh, and is equals to 1-0. Oh, what is that? No. I don't know. And then see, Kadashi shani prayer and I do say so bad. Sakadashi shani prayer no will be 2 hours here. My ganum. No better now. Could you see 11 months in it? 1 for Bianco court that. Now no man for which I said I didn't tea. Na Ghana man penny. What share Ghana for say? So over better now. Could you so? Ketaze shani proya koso abanda dan numrum penso no wo de ba ko gina asem di bia na fo bia anko court adam from South MPP ya campaign no mo kan se bi fa bas rebranding sabasi wo mo penti no na bo bia mo de ye na nya asem ketwa wo mo kan se bi fa Jida wo kan Wayomi wo kan Mary wo kan se bi fa ye Brazil born na wo ko boy no wo kan Savannah project bia na ekoso wo kan National Service wo kan Health Insurance wo kan dwurum dia wo do bebre akoso na 11 months ni wo mfo bia nko gina court eno na manfo kire se na ye we bia na mo fa so de dada manfo ba we ni ana se na ye nukura bi na na mo nka eno na manfo be so na mo se MPP NDC forces MPP aban no wo mo nim so mo bi eye dwurum dia wo mfo mo enko gina court me enhwe idi asema mo ka mo se asem no wo so mo ye corrupt adenti na up to now wo mfo bi enko gina court. Oraya Osafima for senior minister. Nana do Danko Akufo the president of the Republic of Ghana. Omienu aba bontin ya to Ghana for him say Ghana for nya botari. Ghana for enya botari of Frank Owusu Ansa Ajen. Also Fred, you are being selective in reading of your comments. Your presentation is very biased. Oh, thank you very much. O comment maybe a quantum and into the man to me sorry. O comment in Tranamin kindness is here why? Frank, just write your comment again and let me read your comment for you, all right? Thank you very much for your concern. Now, the comments and they be echo fast, the point to be I wouldn't mean kind in now. And in see, I don't for them, say, I mean, no, say, and Tia beto Johnny and Sembe Brabano. Nana, the Danko Kufado, or Safama for Macas, almost somebody to Johnny say, what was a gun of mine? Munya Butari, Nakata, Shani Proyano, Wamukusu Yanshim, no mum per se, Wamudio Bibako Jinasem Dibia, a bra. Omunkuta proof na ni nyina ne se omuguso adwhwe nsem no ye pa yi na omo se ebinom de sika ko gu foreign banks ne de ka ho eno nti wo mo employ foreign experts bi a wo mo hwehwehwem se be sika bi amanfo de akọ foreign countries nyina no wo mo nsa ebeka saa so na wo ma kire se omo nya hurry emfo bi ko gina court omo mpere omo ho na omo hwehwem se be ya omo de obi ko gina court a emra no ne omo bedi no se de esitie eni se manyoku kire se MPP dream dear won papa. Woman say Katasha proye no ebi koso MPP pa and it's now don't find chance free ni free MPP and that by NDC for so Mustafa Hamid also they should prosecute any person in the previous government who is found to have chopped Ghana's money as Mustafa Ahmed Diabano the one prosecute obia and on the eka ho asemi then internet says sema and none number from and on the other for them Ghana some the ano she ne akoso o man Ghana mu no eno na me de abramidin e Daddy Fred me da munyina say Mr. Minister no Honorable Howard Kumsin was ready to resign ne bi no mo kire say enka nkire resign so be so resign ya sa so na MPP for mpanifo ba ko wo America ha ko fi amia wo de atudwa say be ya ka minister no ye nyina di even the chairman Sabonsu majority leader in parliament was in Kabaya a man for Susu and Mbo minister Dechi na error ne ba yam from so de nipa will be I am from so into a man for Susu Mbo minister Dechi Obaya Boatima. So if they were not with proof, what were they with that made them say all that? Thank you for your question. Wabaya Boatima was saying say MPP abain anado abain na mo ni proof say NDC abain no eti akonwa so no na mo ye dream dia adentina na mo ye campaign na mo ka ho asem se bi ni mo disika ebi ni mo disika funya ebi ni mo wiaga na sika ebi ni mo sesika na mo ni proof adentina na mo ka na se se ambatena asi mo nya ho adwuma so a mo se proof na afi na mo geda proof ni nyina asema me ni oba ya obusa Ghana abain no. Adabro me da munyina sabo join me di Daddy Fred. Emre pam ye besa ehia Moti Louis Amoako enka wono na ye communications director MPP ewo Massachusetts chapter. Join Chibwesi yako wono social commentator or Maryland Moti enka. Jumade ya for the announcer newspaper so Massachusetts United States of America ena yewo. Me di Daddy Fred me checha munyina mo comment here, mo share mo views, mo like here, mo share video, mo ye bibia no. Thank you very much for joining me on the program. May God Almighty God Nyankopon wonhyira mu nyina. Bronya beduru obi anhwe ne hu ye. Se driving na wo driver a hwe mu ye. Ba bia wo ko bia hwe mu ye se be ya. Wonya se. Mo ne Nyankopon tena Derek Opon wa join me mecha ba bia wo bia mo ne Nyankopon tena mrepam no ye besan ne mo atwetwe enkomo makramo. Mama bye.